Hello, good morning students. So welcome back. So today we are going to begin with another new topic, that is average. Now last year you might have studied about average and you know the formula of average. Average is equivalent to sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. This formula you might have studied last year, right? Now average is used in our day-to-day life. When the temperature is told, the average temperature of month of May in Chipadum is 40 degrees Celsius. Means what? Does it mean that daily it was 40 degrees Celsius? No. In some cases it may be 38, 37 also. And in some cases it may be 42, 43. But the average of all that, of month of May for all the 30 days was how much? Yes, 40 degrees Celsius. So this average we have studied, and some of the important points related to this we are going to study here. So for example, average of three consecutive numbers, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. How many numbers are there? It is always the middle number. What I mean to say, suppose 13, 14, 15. These are three consecutive numbers. So the average of them is the middle number. So this is the average. So what do you do? When there are consecutive numbers, simple. The formula is average is equal to first number plus last number divided by 2. Okay. So first number plus last number divided by 2. That is 13 plus 15 upon 2. Now that is 28 upon 2. That is 14. Now suppose there are 5 numbers. Okay. So for example 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So our average is the middle number. Okay. So again same formula. Average is equal to first number 9, last number 13 divided by 2. 13 plus 9, yes, 22. 22 upon 2, that is 11. Okay. Now, this is related to the consecutive numbers. Suppose if there are odd numbers or even numbers. So, suppose I take odd numbers. Okay. So, for example, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Now, how many total numbers are there? 5 observations. So, middle number will be the average. Again, same formula. 5 plus first number plus last number. That is 5 plus 13 divided by 2. So, 18 upon 2. That is 9. Now, think of even numbers. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 3 plus 1. So 6 plus 1, 7. Right? So middle number is the average. That is 8 is the average. Okay. So average is equal to 2 plus 14 upon 2. That is 16 upon 2. That is 8. Okay. Mind well, here there is common difference. So this is another clue. That if there is common difference between the numbers, if there is common difference between the numbers, then, and if the number of observations is odd, then middle number is the average. What I mean to say, for example, suppose 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 plus 6, 33. Common difference is there. What is the average of this? Again, it is here the middle number because there are three numbers, three observations. So average is the middle number. How to check it? As I've said, first number plus last number, 21 plus 33 divided by 2. So 54 upon 2, that is 27. So if there is common difference between the numbers, then and if the number of observations are odd, then the average is always the middle number. Do you get it? Now, it's okay when there are odd number of observations. But suppose if there are even number of observations, then what? So let us see. So in that case, the middle two numbers, average of them is the average of all the given observations. Okay. For example, I have got 2, 4, 6, 8. Again here common difference, or you can say they are even number. So here the average of these all observations is average of these middle two numbers. Okay. So here 4 plus 6. So average is equivalent to 4 plus 6 divided by 2. Okay. So that is 10 upon 2. That is 5. So 5 is the average here. Okay. Now suppose I have got 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will be the average of it? Again, the middle two. Average of the middle two numbers. So average is equal to 4 plus 5 upon 2. That is 9 upon 2. That is 4.5. Okay. So that is the answer. Do you understand? Same way, you can think of odd numbers also. But dear students, in some cases, the number of observations is too large or it is very big. So in that case, we utilize or we use frequency table. Okay. And so for example, I am taking here one of the frequency table that is given here. Marks out of 20 scored by 40 students of class 8A in a mathematics test are given in the table below. Find the average marks scored by the students. Okay. So first I will draw the table and then I will show you how to do the calculations. So here in this way the information will be given. Marks scored and how many number of students have scored that marks. Now here the number of observations is large and so I cannot use that regular method, sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. No doubt you can get answer by that method, but time consuming. So to save our time, we use this frequency table. Okay. Now here, frequency means how many times a particular observation occurs. So that is called as a frequency. And so this is the table related to that. Hence this is frequency table. Okay. Now 3 students got 19 marks, 5 students got 18 marks, 9 students got 16 marks, 6 students got 15 marks, 10 students got 12 marks, 7 students got 7 marks. Now I should know the total number of observations, that is N, capital N. So 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 6, 23, plus 10, 33, plus 7, 40. Okay. Now, what you are supposed to do, so this is called as the X and this is F. So product of that. So 19 threes are 57, 18 fives are 90, 16 nines are 144, 15 six are 90, 12 tens are 120 and 7 sevens are how much? 49. Okay. So now 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 9, how much? Yes, 20. 2 plus 4, 6, plus 2, 8, plus 9, 17, 17 plus 4, 21, 21 plus 9, 30 and 5, 35. 3 carry on. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So sum is 550. Now average, okay, sorry, not this first. average or mean. It is also called as mean, and we represent it by bar x. Okay, and so that is equal to summation x into f upon capital N. This symbol is called as the sigma, or it is summation symbol, that is sum of all this. So I have done that. Okay, summation of x into f divided by total number of observations. So sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. Formula is same. The only thing, symbol has changed. Okay, so summation x into f upon capital N, that is this. So that is 550 upon 40. So 0, 0 gets cancelled. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Remainder 1, 15. 4 3s are 12. Remainder 3, 30. 4 7s are 28. Remainder 2, 20. 4 5s are 20. So answer is 13.75. So dear students, I hope you have understood. Now let us go to solve examples based on this particular concept. Okay. Now see, first question. What is the average of the smallest and the greatest 3-digit numbers that are divisible by 18? Okay, so greatest as well as smallest. Smallest, it is easy to find. I know the table of 18. Okay, so smallest number divisible by 18. No doubt, 3-digit. 3-digit smallest number divisible by 18. Now I know 18 5s are 90. 18 6s are. 18 6s are how much? 108. Right? So 18 6s are 108. So that is the smallest 3-digit number divisible by 18. Now, to find out greatest 3-digit number divisible by 18. Now, how to find out? So, simple thing, what do you do? Do you know the greatest 3-digit number? So, first find out greatest 3-digit number. What it is? Ah, yes, exactly. It is 999. Now, I want greatest 3-digit number divisible by 18. So, what to do? Divide this. Okay. So, if I divide this 999 by 18. So, 18 5s are 90, 0, 9 remainder. So, this 9 comes down. 99. Again 18 5s are 90. So remainder 9. Subtract this remainder from this. You will get number divisible by 18. Okay. So therefore number divisible by 18. 3-digit number. No doubt about it. 3-digit number, and it is greatest. Okay. So greatest 3-digit number divisible by 18. That should be equal to 999 minus 9, that is 990. Okay, so what greatest? Now you have to find the average. So average is equal to smallest 3-digit number. What it is? 108. Greatest 3-digit number 990, which are divisible by 18. Upon 2. So 8 plus 0, 8. 9 plus 0, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 18, 2 4s are 8. And so remainder 1, so it becomes 18. 2 9s are 18. So 549. So option number Option number third. That is the right answer. Okay. So let's move to the next example. See second, in a class, the average weight of 40 students is 36.5 kg. If the average weight along with the class teacher is 36 kg, what is the weight in kg of the class teacher? You can use your regular formula and go for it. But instead of that, when such types of examples are there, see what is given. Average weight of the 40 students is given. Then weight of class teacher is added and the new average weight is given. And you have to find what is the weight of the teacher. Okay, so in that case, the clue is find out the difference in average weight. Difference in average weight multiplied by number of students and add the new average weight. Add new average weight to it. Okay. Now difference in average weight. So first, difference in average weight 36 kg minus 35.5. Okay, so new average weight was 36 and the average weight of 40 students, it was 35.5 into number of students, so there are 40 students, plus new average weight. Now new average weight is 36, right? If you solve this, you get the answer. Now 36 minus 35.5, so answer is 0.5. I hope you understand this. Into 40. Okay, now 4 5s are 20 and 1 0. Decimal point after 1 digit from right hand side towards left hand side. Okay, so 20. Okay, now 20 plus 36, that is 56. So that is the average, that is the weight of the teacher. So option number third. So for that, you should know this clue. If you know this clue, you can use it. Okay. So now next example, that is third one. Now see third, a bus traveled from village A to village B at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. On the return journey, its speed was 60 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed of the bus during the entire journey? So while going from A to B, so suppose this is place A and this is B. So while going from A to B, the average speed was 40 kilometers per hour. And while coming from B to A, the average speed was 60 kilometers per hour. And you are supposed to find average speed of the bus during the entire journey. This is also average speed and this is also average speed. Okay, suppose if I assume this as x kilometers per hour and this as y kilometers per hour. So the clue is average speed is equal to 2xy upon x plus y. Okay, 2xy upon x plus y. Now what is x here? 40. What is y? 60 upon x plus y, that is 40 plus 60. Now, so 2 into 40 into 60 upon 40 plus 60 is 100. So 1, 2, 1, 2. 6 for the 24, 24 2s are 48 kilometers per hour. That is the average speed And so option number 2. Option 2 is the right answer. Okay. So next example. Now see fifth example. Rahul scored an average of 48 runs in 5 one-day matches. In the first 3 matches, he scored an average of 40 runs. In the fourth match, he scored 70 runs. Calculate the runs scored by him in the fifth match. Okay, so actual runs scored in fifth match, we have to find it out. Now see what is given. In 5 one-day matches. Average in 5 one-day matches. Average in 5 one-day matches is 48. Okay. Now if I know the average in 5 one-day matches, can I get runs scored in 5 one-day matches? Yes, I can. How? I know average is equal to sum of runs scored divided by total number of innings. So I know average, I know total number of innings. So if I bring this total number of innings to this side, it will be multiplication. What I mean to say, see here, average is equal to sum upon total number. Okay. So I want to find sum of runs scored. So bring this total number of innings here. I know average, I know total number of innings. Average is 48 and total number of innings 5. So 48 into 5. Okay. So I can get runs scored in 5 innings. Okay. So sum of runs scored or just runs scored in 5 innings. Runs scored in 5 innings. That is equal to 48 into 5. 8 5 are 44. 5 4 are 20 plus 4. 24. So 240. Now what they say, in the first 3 matches, he scored an average of 40 runs. Average of first 3 matches. How much it is? 40. So can I get runs scored in 3 innings? So runs scored in 3 matches. So what you will do? Oh yes, exactly. 40 into 3. So 43 are 120. Now they have given a run scored in 4th match. Run scored in 4th match. How many he has scored? He has scored run score in 4th match 70. Now I know run scored in first 3 matches. I know run scored in 4th match. Can I find run scored in 5th match? Yes. How? Total number of runs minus this sum. Okay. So run scored in 5th match. What it will be? Total runs scored minus runs scored in 3 matches. First 3 matches. Plus runs in 4th match. Right? Now, so that is equal to total runs scored 240 minus in bracket runs in first 3 match 120 plus runs scored in 4th match 70. Now 120 plus 70, how much? 190. Right? And 240 minus 190, 50. Right? 14 minus 9, 5. 2 minus 1, sorry, 0 minus 0, 0, 14 minus 9, 5, 1 minus 1, 0. So 50 runs he scored in his last match. So option third. Okay, so let's move to our next example. Now see sixth one, the average weight of 40 students is 25 kg. They are seated in a boat. If along with the boatman, the average weight of all of them is 26 kg, then what is the weight of the boatman? So again here the same thing, the weight of the boatman, the weight of the boatman equals to difference in the average weight, just like the second example, difference in the average weight multiplied by number of students plus new average weight, plus what? New average weight. Okay, now let us see what is the difference in the average weight. Now, so the first average weight is of 40 students is 25, and after the boatman the average weight becomes 26. So 26 minus 25 into number of students. How many number of students? 40. Okay, and plus new average weight. Now the new average weight is 26. Now 26 minus 25, that is 1. 1 into 40 plus 26. So 40 plus 26. So answer is 66. Option number 2. Yes, exactly. Option 2 is the right answer. Now seventh example. Now see, by how much is the average of the natural numbers from 1 to 50 more than the average of the natural numbers from 1 to 25. Now to find out average of first 1 to 50 natural numbers, first I should know sum of all the natural numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, so first I will find sum of natural numbers from 1 to 50. What it will be? You know the formula, n into n plus 1 divided by 2, right? So n into n plus 1 upon 2. So that is 50 into 50 plus 1 divided by 2. So 50 into 51 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 25s are. 25 ones are 25. 2 carry on. 25 5s are 125. 125 plus 2. 127. So 1275. Okay, that is the average of 1 to 50 natural numbers. So there, sum of natural numbers. So average is equal to sum divided by total numbers. So 1275 divided by 50. Okay, now, so 5 tens are 50, 5 twos are 10, 2 remainder, 27, 5 fives are 25, 2 remainder, so 5 fives are 25. So 255 upon 10, that is 25.5. Okay, now sum of natural numbers. From 1 to 25. So again n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So n is 25. N plus 1. So that is 25 plus 1 upon 2. So that is 25 into 26 upon 2. Right? So 2 ones are 2, 2 13s are 26. 13 5s are 65. 6 carry on. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 6, 32. So 325. Okay. So its average. Now average will be what? 325 upon 25. Okay. Now 25 under 25, 25 under 25. 32 minus 25, 7. So 75. So 25 threes are 75. So average is 13. Now difference in the average. So difference in the average, let us find it out. So first is 25.5 minus 13. So 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So 12.5. So option number 2. So option 2 is the right answer. Okay. Now let's move to the last example of this exercise. Now see, 8th one. What is the average of the squares of the first even natural numbers? What they say? What is the average of the squares of the first 5 even natural numbers? So first 5 even natural number. So average of squares of first 5 even natural number. So 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square and 10 square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are first 5 even natural numbers. Okay, and their square. So divided by how many total? 5. Right? 2 square 4, 4 square 16, 6 square 36, 8 square 64 and 10 square 100. Now keep this in mind. 36 plus 64 is how much? 100. Right? And 16 plus 4, 20. So 20 plus 100 upon 5. Now 100 plus 100, 200. 200 plus 20, 220 upon 5. Okay. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Remainder 2, 5 fours are 20. So answer is 44. So option number 4. That is the correct answer. So dear students, I hope whatever I have discussed here, you have understood. Okay? And you will try to solve the remaining examples of 12.2 and 12.3. And I will deal with the examples, some of the examples of 12.2 and 12.3 definitely, but in my next video. So let us stop here and meet in the next period. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.